garlic, lemon, pepper, chicken skewers. Guys, you gotta get involved with these. Look at that. That is intense. Oh man, I'm going in. Just get involved, people. That's what it's all about. Come on. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we are going to be cooking up some garlic, lemon, pepper, chicken skewers. They're going to be insane. Tonight we have Ian Atkinson on keys, we have Ryan Cobb on bass, and we have Brett Norton on guitar, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! Let's tear into these boneless, skinless chicken thighs and get ready for some killer skewers. So before we get started on these skewers, I'm going to show you guys a little tip that I like to do before I put all the chicken or meat or whatever you're going to put on your skewer. I like to soak them for about 30 minutes. So when you're cooking them, they don't burn up on you. So I've got them in a little tray with some water over here, and I just throw them right here in some water and they soak up that water, and they do great when you're cooking your food on that grill. So this is going to be a direct cook tonight. It's not indirect. So there's going to be some char going on and whatnot in a direct flame. I'm going to keep making these chicken skewers. You guys go in for a couple of jams. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe. Come on, people. Let's get involved. I'm going to put on a piece of cherry wood here for some smoking. We are going to be going directly over coals tonight. We're not going to be using the diffuser plate, so it's going to be a direct cook. Got the temp set to about 300 degrees. We're going to cook them up, pull them, or we're going to butter them down, or we're going to chow. So here we go. Okay, chicken's on. We're going back in for some more jams. You guys come and join us. By the way, don't let these sit too long in one spot. You got to kind of turn them and turn them and turn them, so make sure they don't burn. Anyway, catch you guys back here in a minute. Garlic, lemon, pepper, butter, correct? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna go in with 1 pound of butter. We're gonna melt that down. Butter's melted. We're going in with some chopped garlic, some chopped parsley, lemon pepper, lemon zest. So now we're gonna squeeze some lemons in here. We're going in with a red pepper flake. Now back onto the heat. Check out the channel, enjoy. You guys come on, let's get involved. Woo! All right, folks, it's time to pull.
How many hits the Chinese people?
Check out these babies. Woo, these are looking killer.
That's exactly why we couldn't get them now.
Good.
We use those Zens like crazy.
Okay, here we go. Got our butter mixture going on. Our chicken thighs are looking delicious. It's time to spoon them up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check it out. All right, we're gonna bring the guys in. We're gonna check out these chicken skewers and see what they think. So we got Ian over here, Atkinson. What's up going on, bro? Dude, welcome back to the show.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, you excited?
Oh, I'm very excited.
Oh, well, so go for it, just grab one.
All right.
See what you think. Brett Norton, come on down.
Ryan, that means you too.
What's up, dude?
Hey, man.
Hey, man. You ready to grab one of these things?
I'm ready for some chicken, boy.
Ryan Cobb, what's up, baby?
Get involved, dude.
Come on.
Do it.
We gotta grab some chicken over here. All right, we gotta do our chicken cheers. Of course, we've gotta go in for that.
Knights of the Round Table.
Yes.
Sir. 3 muskets, 4 muskets.
Yes. You guys ready?
Chicken cheers, boys.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, dang, that's good.
Dude,
It's really good.
the lemon, that lemon zest really zaps it, dude. It's such a like really nice little pop of flavor. You enjoying that there,
Yeah,
right,
dude.
Bob?
It's actually good. I don't know why I say actually, it's good.
It is good.
Surprisingly.
Dude, my God, this is like party time. Let's get involved with some chicken skewers. This thing is killer. Anybody can cook this. It's awesome. I'm speaking with my mouth full, but sorry, that's what I do. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being on the BBQ Jams, and thanks so much for being involved and having a good time. We actually have Jeff Craft's brother up here. We've got John with us tonight. What's up, dude?
How are you?
Man, I'm doing fantastic. Grab one of those and just get involved, dude.
He knows the assignment every day.
Oh, man. Woo! Pretty sweet? Hey, man, thanks so much for coming out and hanging out and being a part of the show tonight.
Appreciate
We
it.
always enjoy your company,
It's
brother.
delicious. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure, man. Absolutely. And all right, so we've got to bring in Ashley and her friend Veronica should come over here tonight. So what's going on? What's going on? How are you ladies doing? Hello, hello. Welcome to the show. You guys need to grab one of those things and see what happens. She's not being shy. Juicy. Woo. Oh, that's okay. Mazzy will take care of that. She's the cleanup crew. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Pretty good,
I
huh?
love the lemon.
I do too. That lemon really sets it off. If you get some of that lemon zest in there, really just, it's like a whole nother bump of flavor.
It's so juicy.
Ooh,
So good. Oh, yeah.
nice. So
Yeah.
juicy. What? Come on. Y'all having fun over here at BBQ Jams? All right, cool. Well, I can't wait to get inside and get some of these jams going on. But thank you so much for being here and hanging out. And yeah, you're gonna get BBQ Jammed later. I got some gear for you, so I hope you're ready for that.
Yeah.
All right, cool. And we also have James Salzer. Are you gonna come on down? Yeah. I'm still going over here. We got James Salzer over here. You ready to get involved with some chicken, buddy?
God, this looks wonderful.
It does. I mean, look, we've already hit the wonderful. We haven't even started yet.
God, it looks wonderful.
All right, well, cool.
Let me.
Check it out, man.
I've never seen anything like this.
You
Never.
Come on.
I've never seen anything like this.
A chicken skewer? All right.
Well, not like
hey.
this.
All right, well, cool. Well, you definitely haven't tasted something like that before, then, I'm sure. Whoa.
God. This is double wonderful.
Double wonderful! Oh my God! Jeff, we gotta do whatever you got, man. Just throw it out the screen for everybody to know. We just hit a double wonderful. James Salzer, it's always a pleasure, sir. Thanks for hanging out with us and
Thank you.
getting involved, brother.
Going to see her.
Ooh, we're going to Sarah. All right, cool. Hey guys, we're having a blast over here. We're gonna catch you back here in just a little bit. You guys like, subscribe, you know the drill. Come on, let's go. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Those chicken skewers were incredible. What'd you guys think of those skewers? Wonderful. Insane. They were so good. Oh my God,
Wonderful.
guys, they were an amazing cook. By the way, the jams also, guys, we're tearing it up over here. We're having a ball. And we also have a new guest over here. One of Ashley's friends, Veronica, is gonna come down. And I'm gonna hook her up with a shirt from the merch company. Thank you very much, Derek Enter. Appreciate you. Come on down, Veronica.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Thanks so much for being on the show. So you enjoyed the chicken skewers, very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very juicy.
Ah, very juicy. That's the way we do it around here, people. All right, so I gotta hook you up with a shirt. I know this is not the right size, but at least, hey, look, this is what's going on. We're gonna hook you up, and yeah.
Thank
Hey,
you so much.
my pleasure. And you've been BBQ Jammed. Boom! Is that what it is? BBQ Jam! All right, thanks so much for coming and being a part of the show. And guys, thank you all so much. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing and having a good time. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom!
Yeah.
Wonderful.